Hello friends, welcome back to Tech and Some BD. In this new video, we are going to unbox Vivo X Fold 5. Let's share some basic information of this smartphone. Hope you enjoy the full video. Thank you. Viewers, Vivo X Fold 5 is confirmed to ship with a larger capacity battery than the predecessor. The foldable is advertised to be able to function even in low temperature. It will also offer a periscope telephoto camera. Vivo has begun accepting pre-orders for the X Fold 5, its home country. The Vivo has shared official image on Weibo revealing the design and specification of the Vivo X Fold 5. It is confirmed to come with a 6000 mAh battery, which could make it fast foldable to offer such a high capacity cell. For reference, the Vivo X Fold 3 came with a 5500 mAh battery and 80 watt wired charging support. Meanwhile, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature a 4400 mAh battery. The company states that it has used industry's fast 4th generation silicon carbon anode technology with up to 12% silicon content to the Vivo X Fold 5. It is claimed to be the industry's first 2nd generation semi-solid state battery, which can provide power even at minus 30 degrees Celsius. The handset is claimed to meet IPX8 plus IPX9 plus IPX9 plus rating for water resistance and offer an IPX rated dustproof rating. Further, the Vivo X5 is claimed to be stronger, lighter, and thinner than Vivo X Fold 3. The teaser show the handset is Quingsong white, green, titanium black color options with a ZEISS branded triple rear camera unit. The camera setup will include ZEISS periscope, telephoto, lens and 3x optical zoom. It is said to function even at minus 20 degrees Celsius. So friends, that's all about Vivo X Fold 5 hands-on review video. Hope you enjoyed the full video. Thank you.